That orange BMW Z4 Roadster. That car was supposed to be the MX-5 Miata. Welcome to the Jurong Bird Park in Singapore, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know and who are new, my name is Naman Berry and I am currently in Singapore. If you still haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell button so that you know every time I make a new upload. And make sure to like, share and subscribe, guys. We really appreciate it. Now, here's the interesting part. I am in Singapore. Today's Wednesday and I fly out on Saturday night, so quite a few days. Today's day 3. And we decided to go to Jurong Bird Park, which is at the other end of the city. So I think that's all we're gonna do today, because it's not easy for my grandma to travel so much, especially walking. She can get really tired, and so yeah, she's old. And the tram is gonna be coming in soon, so we're gonna board that and then we're gonna go. So time now is 3:17. The park closes at 6, so 3 hours we should be good. And then we're gonna head back into Little India where our hotel is. Yeah. Also, that thing is that American Flamingo proudly sponsored by SBI or State Bank of India. For those in India, you guys know how amazing SBI is, and there's some real flamingos there. So for this video, I'm gonna try and change the view angle so that it's easier for you guys to see. I'm gonna set it from wide to narrow.
Second heaviest.
Turkey vulture. Brain pellets, regurgitated pellet. Oh, the Gora. 1, 2, 3. So Jungle Jewels was kind of out of the option because Jungle Juice was kind of out of the option because they were cleaning it at that point, so we skipped that. Pelicans के लिए Pelicans fishes खाते हैं
भाई क्या है पेलिकन फ्लाइंग
चाइनीज में है
जो भी है क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन है हाउ भाई ये पेलिकन कैन फ्लाई
Pelicans I don't think they generally fly very high. So as I showed that there was a pelican chit chat at 2 p.m. but here's the thing, right? We came here at what, 3:15, so we missed it. We missed quite a few events actually, but we might attend the 4 o'clock show. It's 3:45 now. I think we should be heading to the 4 o'clock Birds of Prey show. Hey, it only costs $2 to feed a pelican. Damn, not a whole lot given how much you're asking from a person. The amount of courage you would need to have a giant flamingo right next to you and have food off of your hand. Right. So yeah, pelicans are really cool. I love pelicans. Yeah, actually I love them because of Finding Nemo. King of Skies. It's gonna be a bunch of eagles, I'm pretty sure. So, Birds of Prey show is done. It was a good show. There were a lot of birds. They were ginormous, some of them. Now this is the flamingo pool. This is where there's a lot of flamingos. All just seem to be doing the same things. Sorry. They're all pinkish and white. So yeah, we're gonna head to some place now. There's some greater flamingos down there, right there, but it is a bit of a slope. Could this have been the pelicans from... Sorry. Could these have been the pelicans in Finding Nemo? Australian pelicans. It was for...
हाँ संजय के घर में बड़े वाले हैं,
बहुत बड़े वाले थे उनके यहाँ. Okay. Search about Rio. The movie Rio was inspired by Speaks Macaw and its conservation issues. Turns out the spix macaws are extinct in the wild. The only ones surviving are the ones that are in zoos and in conservation centers like this. They're now officially extinct in the wild. Where's Blue? Where Blue at? Where's Blue? Where's Blue?
Brazil,
Might be sleeping.
the Brazilian parrot.
वो देखो, ये वाले और भी बड़े हैं. उसकी आंखों के आसपास देखो, आईलिड्स. मधु कैसे?
ले आओ.
So, interesting fact about this place. This place is the only place in the world where you can meet all three types of blue macaws. The hyacinth, the sphinx, and the other one. I don't remember the name. I'll check and I'll put it like in the edit. But this is the only place where you can meet all three macaws, and turns out most of them are extinct. One of them actually, the main one, the one that inspired the movie. Oh, it was Lear's macaw. So Lear, sphinx, sphinx, and the third one being hyacinth. All three macaws are actually almost extinct in the wild, and the one that the sphinx macaw, which is the blue one, actually all three are blue. This is the only place you can meet all three of them. So the sphinx macaw is the one that inspired Blue from Rio, and it is actually extinct in the wild. There's only 150 of them left, and they're all in human care. So बताइए.
चल दरवाजा खोल. आता इधर.
maybe. That's close up. हाँ 11वां हमारा था. इन बीच में हर एक में I think we are pretty much done for the day.